Hi, I'm Lindsay with the Wellness Resource Collective. I make digital tools and templates for health and nutrition coaches. So today I want to talk about a product that I loved using in my business, and that is wellness challenges. So this is a great way if you are feeling kind of stuck or stagnant in your business to really generate some excitement, get people involved, get your name out there, build your email list. They're really fun to do. I love doing them, and they were honestly some of my most successful launches. So I wanted to create a health coach challenge vault that had several different challenges to choose from inside of it. So when you purchase any product from me, any templates, you'll get them delivered in the form of a PDF that looks like this. And then that PDF will have links here, whether it's a Canva template or a Google Drive document. So in this case, the Health Coach Challenge Vault comes with 6 different wellness challenges, and they each have participant trackers, which are Canva templates, and we'll look at those in a moment. And then they also have email sequences for each challenge that you can just copy and paste and deliver. So those are found in a Google Drive. You'll get this will link to a Google Drive folder for you. So within that folder, you're going to find a few different things. So I did include a practitioner guide just to help get you started, kind of orient you a little bit with how to use these, some ideas, whether you want to run them for free or paid, ideas for promoting it, kind of a timeline if you needed something like that suggested, tips on how to keep engagement going, how to help people transition into deeper work with you, because that's one of the whole points of running a free or low cost challenge is to just kind of give them that taste of working with you, but then it's your job to move them to that next level. And just, a reminder that all of this is customizable completely, so be sure to make it your brand, your voice, all of that. So you'll get the practitioner guide, which I recommend starting with, and then there's the 6 challenges also in this Google Drive folder. So we have the 7-day sleep reset, 7-day nervous system reset, 5-day hydration glow up, 7-day digestive reset, 5-day protein first challenge, and then a 7-day movement momentum challenge. So I went with a variety of 5 and 7 day for the lengths because I felt that's what worked best for me. And when I asked other coaches what length of challenges they would be interested in running, this got the most amount of feedback was that short 5 or 7 day length. So each challenge, we'll open one of these up, has complete email sequence. So whether you're going to run this through email or if you have a group you want to make these as posts in or post these on social media, anything like that, you can use them however you want. I did email delivery because it was easy to set up ahead of time and just have automated to go out every day. So that's how they're set up, but you can copy and paste them, any part of them, all of them, you can make it shorter, longer, however you want, but these at least give you a starting point and it's perfectly ready to go the way it is, and you're welcome to customize it further if you'd like. Every single challenge has a welcome email, just, to kind of kick things off, and then it will have the actual challenge in the middle. So we have day one. You can see each one is broken down into a certain topic. There's a subject line for you. Seriously, these are so easy for you to use. And then it kind of gives them their challenge. It reminds them to use their tracker and gives them a little hint of what they'll be learning about the next day. So it goes through all the days like that. Totally plug and play. And then they all have a closing email, which is where I recommend kind of mentioning other ways to work with you if that is your goal for these challenges. It just makes it a really natural place to add that in. So that's how the emails are structured. They're, like I said, Google Docs, so you can make a copy, you can edit them however you want. If the doesn't quite sound like you can change that. If you want to add, pictures in, anything, change the content in any way, you have the ability to do that. And then as far as the participant trackers, those will be within a Canva link for you so that you can open them in Canva even with a free Canva account and edit them if you'd like. You can use them as is, although this down here just is a placeholder for your business name, so I would recommend updating that or deleting it if you don't want that on there. But you do have the ability to change the colors for any of these depending on your brand and what that looks like. You can change the font style and size if that matters to you. You have the option to do that. And of course, you can change the content on here as well if you want to customize it in any way. But it is ready to go as is, aside from adding your name, your business name right there. So the trackers for each of the 6 challenges are all in this one Canva template. So whatever one you're using, download that one, save it, and be able to send just that one page to your challenge participants. You don't have to download all of them. And then one quick note, when you do download Canva templates, they're not fillable online. So if you are emailing these to people, they're not going to be able to fill them out on their computer unless they make them fillable or you do, which I do have a tutorial on how to do that. There's a free software you can use to make them fillable if you think that makes sense for your participants. But otherwise, I think with challenges, most people like to print them out anyway so they can have them up on their fridge or, somewhere that they're going to see them each day. So yeah, that's the Health Coach Challenge Vault. Again, a really great way to get some momentum going in your business, get conversations going. You'll probably meet a lot of new people that weren't necessarily in your world before. So highly recommend running short wellness challenges anytime throughout the year. They're a great asset to your business, and remember to have fun with it.